Hey there, as promised, I'm sending you a short video with a fly through our AI platform. So basically, starting here, this could be a portfolio with different locations. And let's jump into one location. The first step we always do is set up the org model, something like headcounts, departments, org units, which kind of roles are working in there, employment terms, communities, and much more, just to get a transparent overview of who is actually working there. Second step is assessing user needs. And we do that in three ways. The first way is our AI benchmark pool, because we know from real data how people in different industries work. So we can tell when they're in the office, we can tell their activity profile, what activities do they perform, location profile, meeting group sizes, and so on. And the second way would be you and I, we sit together and overwrite those values manually. And the third way would be we have an integrated survey function where you can send out a survey link to every employee. And once the survey is finished, the data and the values will be updated in real time. Okay, so now we have the org model, we have the user needs, and we have a big catalog of space modules. You can fully customize them to your needs. And what we do now is combine those user needs to the space modules through our algorithms, the space rules. And those are basically the translators from the user needs to space in different percentages. So you can also opt for an open space setting or a creative setting, or maybe a very traditional setting like a law firm or a bank, or a mix out of the two is a modern corporate with closed spaces, open space. So you can, like, the possibilities are endless basically. And what it does now, it automatically calculates your ideal space with all the area types, how many workstations you need, workspaces, meeting spaces, and also the costs. And also gives you a space program. So all the space modules with the quantities, and you can filter that by any unit or customer or role, whatever you want to filter it by. And now you want to know, does this space program fit into my desired building? Then you can test that out within 48 hours with our test fit tool. And just check out if those calculations fit into your building. What you can then do is also go for scenarios like growth scenarios. If you want to know how much space you need in the future, or for example, location profile scenarios, what does it mean when people come to the office 2 days a week, 4 days a week, and directly calculates that into space. Also, what you can do is basically measure your experience by, again, using our survey tool to ask people how the workplace is performing. And this intelligence flows back into our algorithms, the space rules. The next thing you can also do, if you want to make an existing space better, you can build in your existing space into our platform, compare it to your ideal calculation with our gap analysis, and really see where you need to act on. For example, you have too little meeting spaces, or in general, you have too much office area, and so on. So basically seeing and pinpointing the problems. That's just a brief fly through. I hope that helps. And hear you soon.